What's up, guys? It's King Fox with Never Die Alone. I'm going to show you real quick how to get any item in game. The couple things you're going to need is a hex editor program. You will need Terraria and you will need Wicca, or Wiki. Wicca. Alright, you're going to need Wiki just to be able to sit there and get the data ID list. But that's easy, no big deal. Alright, first thing we got to do is we got to go into Terraria. We got to create ourselves a new character. Just put AAA and you'll know why in a second. We're going to go ahead and start that up. Start game. It doesn't matter if you start a new world. I did just so I could sit there and do this super fast for you guys. Alright, so we're going to run into it, and all we need is a couple things of dirt. As you see at the top, my dirt is already there. Just make sure that it's between 1 and 9. Don't do 10, don't do 0. Besides that, you're going to be good. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and exit the main menu. Yes. Go ahead and hit back out. We can close it. Really doesn't matter. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to jump onto Wiki real quick and put in Terraria ID list. Put that, take away the Terraria blade. All we got to do is find out the ID for sand, or dirt, I'm sorry. And let that pop up. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Obviously, my internet is running super slow. It's because I'm uploading shit. So we'll just go ahead and say the second one, IDs. Pop up ID list. Go to the first one because that's where I believe dirt is. I about said sand again. Fucking retarded. Dirt block is 2. So we're going to go ahead and back out. And we are going to go into our hex editor. I already know this, but the number that I'm going to do is it's going to be Red's wings, Red's armor, but it's super fast. So first thing we got to do is make sure we go back. All right, so we're going to start out to right there under data, and we're going to go to the second data. We're going to go to Terraria paid. We're going to go to files. And the reason why you made a new character with AAA is just so you're at the top of the list and you don't have to go all the way to the bottom. So we'll go into AAA. This is going to pop up the source code for your character. It looks like a bunch of fucking Deci and hex code. And that's because that's exactly what it is. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find 02. So we will hit that button that's right up there, the search button. We will make sure we're on decimal. We're going to put 02, ping, hit OK. And that found us our code. Now, you see it says 020000 because the codes are written in 3. That is not the one we want because the third one right there, that number, should be how many is in our inventory. So if we just scroll down, we can see it right there. 02. I was just trying to move it so you could actually see my finger where it's at. 020003. So that's the one we're going to be looking for. So we'll start on 02. Before we get into that, what we're going to do is since we're looking for Red's wings, I already know what his number is, so I'm going to go ahead and pop it in. The ID number for his is 665, and we're going to sit there and hit hex. Now that turned it into the code that we're going to actually need to input in 2 seconds. But the catch to it is that the 2 numbers first go second, and the 99 go first. So what we're going to do is we're going to tell ourselves 0299. So we'll hit OK. It's going to tell you not found because obviously we're not looking for that number. But so we're on 02. So we're going to hit 99 instead of 02. We're going to hit next. We'll change that to 02. And then we're going to sit there and go to the last one. The last one tells you how many you have in your inventory. So if we want 69 because it's a great number, that's the one we're going to do. We're going to go up here to the save and we're going to click save. This file is saved. At this point you are done. Go ahead and hit home, start up your Terraria again, and if you roll back the video you can obviously see that I had red wings on, but in my inventory I did not have 69 of them, and I will show you now that 69 is there. And bam. Okay, for whatever fucking reason, I believe it's because it added the amount of blocks. No, there's no way. For whatever reason that it sat there and did it, we obviously see that right there it says red wings. You shouldn't have this. If you're wondering why the color is that color, that's just for the simple fact is because I made a tutorial video on how to change the textures of any of the items in Terraria. So obviously that's done. We can go back out. We can just close that real quick. We can go back into the source code. And instead of that one, we can go ahead and I'm just going to erase it just because it makes my life easier. So instead of 99, where's it at? That fucker came out of nowhere. Alright, for whatever reason that disappeared. So let's go ahead and go to this one. 020002. This one right there. Obviously not that one because it's being a total douche. Let's just go ahead and hit back one time. There we go. We'll start at the 02. Red's helmet is 666. So we're going to go ahead and make sure we change it to decimal. 666. Change it to hex. Now we have 029A. Remember, the 9A goes first, 02 goes second. Hit cancel. So we are going to go 9A right here. Back, 9A. Next, 02. And then it tells us how many we need in the inventory of that number. We can just do 7. Hit save. The file is saved. We'll hit home. Close that out. Close it all out. Help it run faster. Jump back into Terraria. And as you see in the background, all my colors are changed. That's just because, like I said, I got a texture tutorial on there, how to do that. And definitely check it out. I'd appreciate that. Jump back into it. And as we can see, bam, I loaded the wrong character. So let me go back real quick. Play, AA, back in. And you can see, my friends, that right there is Red's helmet. You shouldn't have this. Okay, so just to save face for the video itself is, yeah. So 666 is Red's helmet. 667 is his armor, the chest piece, and 668 is, and that's why. Got customers, and so I'm out. Peace.